Hello, my name is Giulia Neri, and this is my lesson on a triangle angle example. This is the example I will be using. The goal of this problem is to find these three angle measures right here. I will call these angles X, Y, and Z. So starting off, we could see that there are two triangles right here. And we are given, looking at the first triangle, we are given two angle measures, to which we could solve for the third angle measure, knowing that the sum of every triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Knowing this, we could create the equation 40 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180. 40 plus 60 is equal to 100 plus x equals 180. We could go ahead and subtract 100 from both sides, and we are left with the answer that x is equal to 80. With this, we could go ahead and substitute 80 degrees for angle measure x. Now that we have solved for angle measure x, we could go ahead and solve for angle y. We could solve for angle y considering angles x and y are supplementary and form a straight line, or 180 degrees. Knowing this, we could go ahead and create the equation 80 plus y is equal to 180. Then we could go ahead and subtract 80 from both sides, and we are left with y is equal to 100. Now we could go ahead and plug 100 degrees in for angle measure y. Lastly, we need to solve angle z. To do this, we know once again that every triangle is equal to 180 degrees, or every triangle sum is 180 degrees. With this information, we could go ahead and write the equation z plus 100 plus 23 is equal to 180 degrees. We could add 123, that'll equal 123 plus z is equal to 180, and subtract 123 from both sides. We are left with z is equal to 57. So we could go ahead and substitute 57 degrees in for angle measure y. And we have solved all angle measures. Thank you for watching.